Hey there, my name is Alex, and in today's video we will talk a bit about automations. The first thing we need to do is to log in into the app and go to the company's page. In this page we want to make sure that the company we want to build the automation for is connected with our Twilio account. So we go to the company and click on edit. You will see these three fields in here that belong to the Twilio integration. If you don't have a Twilio account, you can go to twilio.com and sign up for a new account. Once you're here, you'll notice that we have the SID and the token in the dashboard, and that I also have my first Twilio phone number. Now, I already purchased my number, but if you have a new account, all you have to do is go to phone numbers, manage, and buy a number. Make sure the number you buy belongs to the same country that your leads are coming from. There are some international limitations on each Twilio account. In this case, as you can see, I have a Romanian number because I am from Romania. Once you have your number, go back to your Twilio account and copy paste your account SID and account token inside ConvertLead. Then you paste your phone number in here, and once you're done, you click save. Now your company is connected with your Twilio account. The next thing we have to do is to go into the automation page. In order to create your first automation, we want to make sure that you have a campaign that's assigned to the company that you just integrated with Twilio. As you can see, I have already a demo campaign right here that I will use for this demo video. Once I click on the campaign, I will be sent to the integrations page, and this is where all my leads are coming from. I have an opt-in form integration and a test Facebook integration. Once you make sure these integrations are working fine and you have an agent assigned to each of them, you can go ahead and click the top right side button that says automations. Once you are on the automations page, you will notice that we have different actions that we can add to this automation. If you click on the plus icon, you will be able to add a new action. The actions we can send are text messages, email messages, agent notifications. These notifications will be sent to the agent that has to call the lead, and you can push them to call the lead faster by using these, or just notify them of something that's happening regarding the lead. Then you can change the status of the lead with this action and schedule a blind call between the lead and the agent. All these actions will have a delay time. This delay time will tell the automation flow when to send the action. And then we also have the stop on manual contact option. If you check this option, the automation will stop sending all the actions once the lead has been manually contacted by the agent from his mobile app or desktop app. So if you call the lead from the leads page, or if you send a text message from the leads page, the automation will stop sending. An important thing on the automations page are the directions of the automations. You will notice that the default direction is the vertical direction. Some of these actions can have conditions, like the email action that has an on email open condition, or the text message that has an SMS reply condition. If one of these conditions is met, the automation will start going horizontally. So in this case, we send the first email instantly, and if the lead opens this email, we start sending the horizontal actions. The idea of this flow is to nurture the lead and send it to a blind call at the end of the flow that will connect the agent to the lead, and that will try to convert the lead into a client through a phone call. Once that's done, we change the status of the lead into a contacted call status, and we now know that the lead was contacted by the agent. If this email is not being opened by the lead, we go ahead vertically and send the next message, which is a text message action. This message is basically the same welcome message, but is being sent through an SMS because the email wasn't opened. Once the lead replies to this SMS, we go horizontally and we try to do the same thing that we tried on the first action. This is the basic automation that we use for most of our campaigns, and we edit all of these actions depending on the campaign and the offer we are trying to convert. You can go ahead and replicate this into your account, edit it however you like and make it your own, and start nurturing your leads and convert them into clients. If you want to track your leads progress, you can do so by going to the leads page and checking the leads timeline. You will notice that we have all the actions from the automation page or any kind of interaction with this lead added to the lead timeline. This will help you understand what's happening in your funnel and if your funnel is working fine. Another thing that you can do is to go to the agents page and click on the agent that's taking care of these leads. Here you will be able to check his response time and see if he's calling the leads in time and trying his best to convert the leads. And as you can see, I have a lot of missed leads in here, which means I'm not doing a great job at converting the leads. So this will tell me that I need to improve my call time and try to call the leads faster. Once you have all these things in place, you now have a complete campaign and you are now ready to start sending leads to this campaign. You can go ahead and finish the integrations, add the opt-in form on your website, or finish the Facebook integration from this integrations page, and you're done. Your leads are being sent to your ConvertLead account, and your automation will make sure those leads will convert into clients. With that being said, I think that's all about automations. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one.